Hello and welcome to an episode of Just Tina. Get it? Because I'm Justina. Anyways, today's episode is showing our new place. We decided to rent. The plan was to purchase a home this year, but COVID put a little pause on that. So we're going to revisit it again in a year to a year and a half. For now, we got a 2-bedroom plus den condo. We are moving from our parents' home, both of us. This is my first time living away from my parents, and by we, I mean my partner and I. We're going to be living together. So let's take you inside. Come on, take a look. And this is before we've really moved any large furniture inside. Okay, so this is the unit, and voila. So we brought a few stuff in here, just some gifts and stuff that I had gotten. So this is the dining room. We probably won't be using it as a dining room, but it is, and the kitchen. So I'd like to thank my good up friends, because I got an air fryer and a microwave. Thank you, friends. This blender I got from my former place of employment. I won it in a raffle, so I'm happy about that. We're probably gonna set up a little breakfast table in here in the kitchen and use that for dining purposes. And I'm so happy there's a pantry. So stay tuned for the organized pantry. And we got the den over there. He's just setting up the computer table. And the laundry room, another thing I'm so happy about. Washer and dryer in the unit. Got a couple of stuff in there already. And I love how it comes with shelving to make things 10 times easier. And I can't wait to put up some art on these walls. Here, we've got the closet going on here. And the first washroom. Okay, so it's a full washroom. And I love that this can open. Okay. And this is the smaller of the bedrooms. So you can see it's, well, can't really tell because of the lighting, but it is purple. So we actually have to paint that. Huge closet. Okay. And the linen closet. Some shelves going on there. Can't wait to stock that up. And ta-da! The master bedroom. Also, it has its own controls in here. So I love that, because if I need to, want to be a different temperature from the people in the living room, that can happen. We got the his and hers closet. Okay, and as you can see, the washroom has mirrors all around. Let me just get out. All around. So the shower is separate from the bathtub. Okay, I can't wait to fix that up. And yeah, so I have to do a part 2 when it's decorated. As you can see now, we're just still moving in. And that mat is temporary, but custom supply, check it out. Shameless plug. But this is our space. So this is day 4 now. As you can see, we're trying to mount the TV, and let me give you a proper tour of the den, which is going to be our office. So got the computer desk up. This is the view. We're up pretty high. So our landlord was so kind as to give us a TV. So now we have 4 TVs. And this is some artwork I got from Artistic Lifestyle. I'll put the tag below as well. Need to get these 2 framed. I can't wait to put them up. Yeah. kitchen. I've already put out some glasses and some plates, courtesy of my mother and my partner's mother. So thank you. As you can see, I haven't taken out the appliances yet, but this is these two are from my friends, and then all the other appliances, small appliances, are from our parents. And just got a delivery. All these boxes need to be unboxed and put together. So it's coming along, and I'm thinking of hanging up the artwork on this wall and then these walls. See some more boxes in there. It's coming along. I had to light some candles, you know. So it's coming along. I need to get some really big dark curtains for up here too, because when I want to sleep in the morning, it's too much light coming in. But yeah, so by the end of today, the beds will be up, or should be up. We should have some nightstands, some furniture, and slowly but surely we're making this house a home.